Welcome to this episode of Cooking with Kirby. Today we're going to be making some crispy chicken legs in the air fryer. Now this is a super easy recipe. You can do this at home, simple spices, and you know what? It comes out delicious. So let's get into the recipe so I can show you how to make it. Since you're here, hit the like and subscribe button and make sure that the notification bell is rang. Check me out on social media. That way you can get notification of all my new recipes. We're gonna need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and now this right here is Sweet Smoky Joe's Creole Kick. I'm using 1 tablespoon of that. If you don't have that, you can use a Cajun seasoning of your choice. And then 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now you just wanna go ahead and mix all that together. Now we're going to be taking our chicken legs and we're going to dip it in that seasoned flour mix that we just created. You want to get a good coating. You want to make sure that all sides of the chicken leg is nicely coated with that flour seasoning. Now you want to go ahead and shake off any excess, and then we're going to be dipping it into our egg wash. Now this is about 2 eggs. If you're doing more chicken legs, then you probably want maybe 3. If you're doing less, maybe 1. But I see that two eggs work out pretty good. So you want to get a good coating of that egg wash, and then we're going to put it right back in that seasoned flour so that way we can get a good coating. And this makes a crispy, crunchy outside of that chicken leg. So go ahead and give it a good coating, and then make sure that you shake off any excess and then put it in the air fryer. Now that we have our battered chicken in our air fryer, we're going to go ahead and start to cook it. Now we're going to be cooking it with the chicken setting on this air fryer at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. And we're going to check on it about halfway of the mark. That's why I'm setting a little timer there. So in 10 minutes, we're going to check on it. After the 10 minutes, we're going to be spraying with a little bit of olive oil or oil on the chicken. This spray bottle is probably the best oil sprayer that I've ever picked up. I've tried a couple of them, they did not work. This is an Evo spray bottle and it works pretty good. So you want to go ahead and give a little spray on your chicken legs, and then you want to go ahead and flip them. And then we're gonna add a little bit more oil and we're gonna let it cook for the remainder of the time. Once the remainder of the timer is done, you should have a beautiful golden brown crispy chicken leg. Now we're not done yet. We still gotta check the internal temperature. You wanna make sure that your chicken legs are temping at least 175 degrees. Also, getting it that hot, it helps get that batter nice and crispy. So you can play around with it, but I like to at least get it to 175 above. This is a simple recipe, but it's packed with flavor. It's really delicious. And that Sweet Smoky Joe Creole Kick really blends with this recipe, so I hope you give it a try. As always, I'll leave the full printable recipe link down in the video description and in the comment section so that way you can get the full printable recipe. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so that way you see future videos just like this and many more. If you have any questions or comments, leave it down in the comment section and I'll get back to you shortly. Oh yeah, I have these recipes. They're really good. You should try them out. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.